Hello guys, welcome you all in our YouTube channel Commerce 247. So moving forward, in this lecture we are going to discuss the numerical problems related to the goodwill. Before this, we already discussed the formulas related to the goodwill. If you do not know the formula related to the goodwill, go through the previous lecture and note down all the formulas. So what is goodwill, how it is calculated, this is already discussed. In this lecture, we will work upon the calculation of goodwill on the first method, that is average profit method. तो क्या करेंगे, एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड से गुडविल कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, इस पर हम वर्क डाउन करेंगे. टुगेदर विद वी आल्सो गो फॉर द क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू द वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड. So now moving forward towards the first question. So the question number first is as displayed on your screen. Calculate goodwill on the basis of 2-year purchase. Number of year purchase is given 2 of the average profit of the last 6 years. Last 6 years का average profit भी दे रखा है, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So the profits are 60, 40, 30. This is 60,000 profit, 40,000 loss. 40,000 loss are denoted in the bracket, 30,000 again loss, 1 lakh profit, 170 profit and 220 profit. So now we will solve it out. First of all, we will calculate the average profit for the purpose of calculating goodwill, and we already know that average profit is equal to total profit upon numbers of years. So total करेंगे profit का 60,000 plus it is loss, so we will go for minus 40,000 minus 30,000, then 1 lakh 10,000, and ultimately last one is 1,70,000 and the last one is 2,20,000 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. That is the number of years. Average profit को solve करेंगे. 60 minus 40, 20, 20 minus 30, that is minus 10. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 70, 2 lakh 70 plus 2 lakh, 4 lakh 70, 4 lakh 70 and 24 lakh 90 minus 10, 4 lakh 80,000 divided by 6. 6 8 जो, then it is 80,000. Average profit आ गया मेरे पास 80,000. Goodwill calculate करेंगे. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. This is 80,000 into number of year purchase is already given to you. It is 2 into 2. So the goodwill is 1,60,000. So this is the right answer for this question. So this goodwill, that is 1,60,000, is the goodwill of firm, not for the individual partner. Note it down or take the screenshot of the screen. Next we will move for the second question. So the second question as displayed on your screen is A, B and C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. A, B, C तीन पार्टनर हैं, प्रॉफिट शेयर कर रहे हैं 3:2:1 में. They admit D for 1/4 share. They admit D for 1/4 share on 1st April 2017. For this purpose, goodwill is valued at 3 times. So number of year purchase is 3 times. It is 3. The average annual profit of previous 4 or 5 year, whichever is higher. So interesting concept is here. इस बार हमें average profit के लिए क्या कहा गया? Average profit of 4 years और average profit of 5 years दोनों निकालने हैं, और दोनों में से जो ज्यादा हो, whichever is higher. इन दोनों में से जो ज्यादा होगा उसको हमें क्या लेना है? एवरेज प्रॉफिट की तरह कंसीडर करना है. Agreed? profit for the goodwill purpose for the past 5 years are as follows. Past 5 years के हमें profit दिए हुए 31st March 2013, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Now the profits are 1,30,000 to 1,20,000, 1,50,000, 1,10,000 and rupees 2 lakh. So let us solve the question. Now what happens? First of all, we have to calculate average profit of last 5 years. पहले पिछले 5 सालों का हम क्या निकालेंगे? Average profit निकालेंगे. Okay, how we calculate the average profit? We already know. Average profit is equal to 1,30,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 1,10,000 प्लस 2 लाख. जितने भी ईयर्स का प्रॉफिट दिया था सबको प्लस करा डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ईयर 1 2 3 4 5. इट बिकम्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 लाख. तो ये हो गया 630 650 7 7 लाख 10,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. 5 से कैंसिल करेंगे 71,000 1,42,000. This is the average profit for the last 5 years. Now average profit for the last 4 years. पिछले 4 सालों का एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू लास्ट 4. अब 4 कौन से लेंगे? 13 14 15 16 या फिर 17 16 15 14. So remember this, we always start from the recent year. Recent year कौन सा है इसमें? 17. तो यहाँ से 4 लेंगे 1 2 3 4. So it is 1,20,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 1,10,000 plus 2 lakh. Since it is 4 year 1 2 3 4 we divided by 4. Now average profit is equal to 1 2 3 3 2 5 5 lakh 50 5 lakh 70 5 lakh 80,000 divided by 4. 5 lakh 80,000 divided by 4 we will cancel it out. It becomes 4 1 is 4 18 4 4 is 16 2 4 5 is 20 1,45,000. Now क्या कहा था उसने? एवरेज प्रॉफिट ऑफ लास्ट 5 ईयर लास्ट 4 ईयर विच एवर इज मोर. तो ज्यादा कौन सा है? 4 ईयर वाला. तो हम हमेशा इसको बेस लेंगे. नाउ गुडविल इज इक्वल टू एवरेज प्रॉफिट इनटू नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज. गुडविल इज इक्वल टू एवरेज प्रॉफिट इनटू नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज. एवरेज प्रॉफिट कितना था? 1,45,000. क्यों लिया 1,45,000? क्योंकि दोनों में से जो ज्यादा था वो लेना था. नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज कितने थे? 3. 0 0 0 5 3 तो 15 1 कैरी 4 3 12 1 13 1 carry 4,35,000. This is the right answer for the goodwill. So moving towards the next question, that is question number 3. So in this question number 3, what is given? The profit earned by a firm during the last 4 years are as follows. Profit रखे हैं last 4 years के. क्या क्या profit हैं? 13, 14, 15 and 16. Last 4 years के profit रखे हैं. 80,000, 1 lakh, 80,000, 1 lakh, 1,10,000, and it is 1,50,000. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase. Number of year purchase कितना दिया है? 3 year. Of the weighted average profits, weights are to be used as 1, 2, 3, 4. वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट से निकालने हैं और वेट कैसे देने हैं? 1 2 3 4 फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 2013 14 15 and 16. 13 14 15 and 16. Now this is the question related to the weighted average calculate the goodwill by using the weighted average for profit formula. First of all, we have to take the profit. Profit लेते हैं, year wise profit note down करेंगे. This is 13, 14, 15 and 16 already given to us. This is 80,000, 1 lakh, 1,10,000 and 1,50,000. Weights are given to us. Weight के लिए क्या कहा गया था? 1, 2, 3, 4 for the year 2013, 14, 15 and 16. तो 13 में मैंने 1 weight दिया, 14 में 2, 15 में 3 and 16 में 4. Now we will calculate the weighted profit. Weighted profit. Multiply कर देंगे 80,000 into 1. This is 80,000. 1 lakh into 2. This is 2 lakh. 1 lakh 10 into 3. 3 lakh 30,000. And 1 lakh 50 into 4, this is 6 lakh. Now the total is 6, 3, 9, 9 to 11, 11 lakh 80 plus 30, 12 lakh 10,000. The total of weight is 437,29110. The most important thing is while calculating the average profit or the weighted average profit. Weighted average profit. वैसे ही कैलकुलेट करते हैं जैसे हम अभी तक करते आए थे. वेटेड प्रॉफिट का टोटल लेते हैं. वेटेड प्रॉफिट कितना है? 12,10,000. स्टूडेंट्स इसमें मिस्टेक कहां करते हैं? क्योंकि एवरेज प्रॉफिट की आदत डली होती है और 1 2 3 4 गिनते हैं और नीचे लिखते हैं. नो, वी विल नॉट गो फॉर इट. यहां पर हमें वेट का टोटल लिखना होता है, दैट इज 10. इन वेट का टोटल इट बिकम्स 1,21,000. दिस इज द वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट. Now for goodwill, 3-year purchase is given to us. We will calculate it as goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of year purchase. Number of year purchase. Weighted average profit is 1,21,000. Number of year purchase is 3. It becomes 0, 0, 0, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 6 and 3. 3,63,000 is the goodwill. This is the right answer. This is the goodwill of the firm. So in the next video we will discuss about the questions related to average profit only, but that questions are having the adjustments, that different adjustments. So before moving towards the next video, you should know how to calculate the average profit, how to calculate the goodwill from the average profit. So try to solve the questions by your own. It will be beneficial for you. If you like the video, kindly go through the channel, subscribe the channel and review it, comment it in the comment box. Thank you.